Welcome to Mightychic, where luxury meets timeless elegance. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to a masterpiece from Hermès, the Evelyne PM Bag in Rouge de Coeur Clemence leather, adorned with exquisite gold hardware. The Evelyne bag, a quintessential symbol of Hermès craftsmanship, is more than just an accessory. It is a statement of sophistication and style. The rich Rouge de Coeur hue adds a vibrant yet refined touch, perfect for those who seek to make a bold yet elegant statement. Crafted from the finest Clemence leather, this bag offers a supple and durable texture, ensuring it remains a cherished piece in your collection for years to come. If you appreciate timeless elegance and superior craftsmanship, this Hermès Evelyne PM Bag in Rouge de Coeur is a must-have. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content on the world's most coveted handbags. And don't forget to visit Mightychic.com to explore this and other exquisite Hermès pieces